if you are new to XRP, you must watch this video. I'm going to break down in simple concepts and you will finally understand the difference between XRP, the XRP Ledger, Ripple, and then I will move to more sophisticated concepts, just like OnDemand Liquidity, RippleNet, xCurrent, so that you can finally understand the difference between this technology and you will make no more confusions. I know it's a lot of new concepts, especially if you are new to crypto and then you're trying to understand XRP. And honestly, I see a lot of people talking a lot about the technology without fully understanding it, so let's get a deep dive. First things first, we have the XRP Ledger, which is the layer 1 blockchain, a decentralized open source that anyone can build on top of it. And that's the native blockchain for XRP, the digital asset. So basically XRP is a digital asset that can bridge currencies. Transactions are settled down on the XRP Ledger within 3 seconds. It's the most fast, scalable and energy efficient way to send money across borders. If you ever did an international payment, you know how frustrating it can be. It takes a lot of time, transaction fees, and all of the headaches associated when dealing with the banking system. XRP also bridges currencies on the DEX. You can also issue assets on the XRP Ledger. So the XRP Ledger is the layer 1 blockchain, XRP is the digital currency. And then we have Ripple. I understand a lot of people can make confusions because when XRP was just created, it was also known as Ripple. People would see it as Ripple's currency and they would often call XRP as Ripple. Actually, it was initially called XNS. I already explained about this, but let's focus on the most important concept. So Ripple is the company that was gifted XRPs, developing the Internet of Value. They basically build payment solutions for businesses and financial institutions, also embracing XRP. Ripple is working closely with financial institutions and policymakers in every single corner of the world. So now that you fully understood Ripple, XRP and the XRP Ledger, let's get on a more elaborated concept. And this one is called On-Demand Liquidity, ODL. ODL is just XRP settlement on RippleNet, and I'm gonna get on RippleNet on a second. In theory, you can also use other cryptocurrencies when we're talking about on-demand liquidity, but in practice it only uses XRP. I would argue the most important part of ODL is actually getting rid of nostro vostro accounts, just unlocking capital that embraces all the benefits of digital currencies when making transactions by bypassing a lot of the high transaction fees associated with cross-border payments. That's why ODL is so important. That's why it eliminates the need for nostro vostro accounts, and in my opinion is the most important one. It was actually called xRapid and then it was rebranded. They try now to call it Ripple payments, so it also becomes more easy for outsiders, for people who are not used with cryptocurrencies to fully understand the concept. But still, most people would just call it on-demand liquidity. Then we have RippleNet, which is just a private network with hundreds of financial institutions that have built live corridors using RippleNet, so facilitating cross-border payments between the countries. Combines Ripple solutions like xCurrent and on-demand liquidity, as I explained previously. Eliminates obstacles to use the XRP Ledger for the search of the destination or bridging enterprise payments. Keep in mind, there are hundreds of financial institutions, especially in emerging countries, that are using RippleNet. Think of RippleNet as a unified payment system with some key features, just like interoperability, where different payment systems can work together, a standard infrastructure, and a single integration with multiple partners and corridors. It does embrace ODL, it bypasses nostro vostro accounts, and it works pretty well in every country. There are over 300 financial institutions using RippleNet, and that facilitates cross-border payments. We have xCurrent, which is a software solution by Ripple. It's built on top of the Interledger protocol. And the thing with xCurrent is that it's very common to actually not use crypto, not use specifically XRP. So xCurrent is built for financial enterprises. I think with ODL, the financial institutions buy XRP with the local currency. The payment is sent in XRP and then XRP is traded back to destination currency. So xCurrent helps to expand the networking. However, people might ask the question, if xCurrent is enabling cross-border payments, why do we need XRP? Why we need crypto payments if xCurrent can do it without using XRP? Well, the answer is because xCurrent doesn't necessarily eliminate the high fees associated with the banking system. So there can still be fees associated, but most importantly, doesn't eliminate nostro vostro accounts when not leveraging digital assets like XRP. So the problem is that you still have all the liquidity that has to be locked in when there's the requirement for Nostro account. So although xCurrent is a very functional solution, it doesn't offer all of the benefits of a blockchain-based system, just like on-demand liquidity that settles down using XRP. So just as a final insight, yes, XRP is still extremely valuable for the ecosystem, and no, Ripple is not going to stop using XRP. Ripple is not going to stop building its products around XRP and the XRP Ledger, and I think the ultimate proof is that most of these protocols are built on top of the XRP Ledger, or actually leveraging the digital asset XRP, which is adopted by hundreds of financial institutions around the world. If you found this video useful, please send to a friend that's just got in crypto. Send this video to someone that's getting on XRP so they can learn everything about the ecosystem. Let me know in the comments if there is any topic you would like to learn in the future. Thank you everyone, and I see you in the next video.